welcome to my channel. In this video, I will break down each stage of Sandeep's journey, connecting his choices to real career steps and opportunities in blockchain development and beyond. Together, we'll explore actionable roadmaps you can follow no matter where you begin. Whether you are a student, a parent, or simply curious about different careers, this guide will help you see your options clearly and make wise decisions for your future. On Jaipur's rooftops, 8-year-old Sandeep traded cricket stickers, carrying a quiet fear of being cheated. Even in simple games, Sandeep sensed dishonesty, and this shaped how he saw fairness forever. Family evenings filled with chai and laughter gave him warmth, but his mind kept searching for trust. Watching his father balance accounts by lamplight, Sandeep saw how every number carried the weight of honesty. Kite battles thrilled him, yet every argument about fairness reminded him of fragile trust in play. Stories of merchants and broken trust fascinated him, planting seeds for a lifelong quest for fairness. Though shy, solving math puzzles gave him joy, like building tiny walls of truth brick by brick. Even as a child, he dreamed of a world where trust was built into every exchange. At 15, Sandeep entered cyber cafes, feeling small as others typed fast while he fumbled nervously. Installing Python felt like climbing a mountain, every error shaking his fragile confidence as a beginner. Small victories shared with his cousin replaced doubt with courage, one solved error at a time. At 17, he showcased his first web page, and applause filled him with hope despite the simplicity. Support at home gave him strength, parents urging him to dream bigger despite early setbacks. Lonely rooftops became his classrooms, where persistence turned frustration into fuel for growth. Winning small contests proved his slow and steady steps were indeed leading somewhere. At 18, he left Jaipur with trembling hope, chasing a future larger than his fears. College began at IIT Bombay, where dreams grew louder but so did his fear of failing. In crowded lecture halls, imposter syndrome gnawed at him as peers answered with ease he lacked. Coding clubs became his refuge, where every working script was a small personal festival. With mentors' help, he built tiny blockchain apps, failing often but learning more each time. Sleepless nights shaped him, persistence turning exhaustion into the bricks of his future confidence. Hackathon victories boosted his confidence, showing teamwork and persistence could rewrite his self-doubt. Festivals reminded him to balance hard work with joy, nurturing both focus and friendships. 4 years later, he walked the stage, proof that small wins build unstoppable journeys. Guided by mentors, he explored India's best institutes, gateways to future opportunities. Globally, he discovered MIT, Stanford, Toronto, and ETH Zurich, dream hubs for innovators like him. Computer science became his chosen path, where logic and trust converged into his future. Advanced classes turned blockchain into more than theory. It became a breathing system of trust. He built his first toy cryptocurrency, tiny, yet a mirror of the fairness he once craved. Sharing knowledge with juniors sharpened his own understanding, giving him new pride. His parents felt joy hearing about his projects, knowing their sacrifices were blossoming. With studies complete, he carried not just degrees, but dreams of systems built on trust. Fresh out of college, Sandeep stepped into Paytm, nervous yet excited to apply his learning. His role began with smart contracts, frustrating errors, yet each fix deepened his skill. Presenting projects tested his nerves, but soft skills, clarity, teamwork proved as vital as coding. Friendships at work gave him balance, reminding him growth came with community, not isolation. Soon he joined Razorpay, shifting from nervous beginner to reliable engineer of secure systems. Failures were constant companions, but teamwork taught him resilience and the courage to try again. Global firms like IBM and Consensus soon entered his radar, doors to a worldwide stage. Though challenges remained, Sandeep's journey was now firmly on track toward bigger dreams. Beyond jobs, blockchain opened startup paths where bold ideas could become tomorrow's trusted systems. Freelancing gave him independence, proving his skills had value across borders. Teaching others strengthened his skills, spreading trust-driven technology to eager learners. Guiding hackathon teams gave him joy, passing down lessons from his own failures. Client reviews proved persistence and honesty built not just systems, but reputations too. By 27, he spoke on stages, inspiring others with his story of steady growth. Dreams of building his own company grew, one idea at a time. Opportunities were endless, as long as he kept walking with persistence. His family felt proud, seeing respect flow toward him for his trusted profession. Recognition came not just from offices, but from local communities proud of his achievements. He returned to schools to inspire children, reminding them trust and persistence bring real success. Respect grew online, as thousands admired his work building systems of trust. Globally too, his skills earned respect, showing India's talent in trusted technology. In his hometown too, villagers saw him as proof that persistence could build honor. With friends, debates on future technology fueled new energy for collective progress. Respected at home and abroad, his journey stood as proof that trust can be engineered. His project traced coffee beans from farm to cafe, proving transparency could transform trade. Blockchain connected farmers directly to consumers, securing both trust and fair pay. Consumers now saw every step, trust woven into every cup. He broke projects into steps, proving persistence beats shortcuts in learning. Late nights of testing smart contracts proved success came from structure, patience, and persistence. Workshops gave him joy, showing how clear steps could turn complexity into confidence for young learners. By 32, his journey reached international stages. His message, "Trust is the foundation of progress." Sandeep's journey showed that persistence, honesty, and learning can transform childhood fears into systems of trust. So, that was today's career story. Now we'd love to hear yours. Share your career journey in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.